The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Quando c'era una pista.
C'era giù. C'era a peruca dele. Tira mais.
Casaco, não, casaco.
Tira a roupa. Tira o casaco.
Pra poder mostrar a camisa.
Tira o casaco, preso.
Casaco preso. Agora não é hora de fazer terraça.
Não, eu não vou ali não.
Então, tira isso aí, pô.
Não vou tirar ajuda na mão de vocês. Não, ninguém vai deixar isso no corpo. Tira isso mesmo, mas se eu encostar na mão.
Tira o casaco. Tira o casaco. Tira o casaco. Não vou ficar. Tira o casaco.
Isso.
É só tirar a roupa.
Camisa tirar normal. Não tem esculacho.
É geral, pô.
Ninguém tá te fazendo nada, pô.
Sem
Aí.
esculacho.
Não.
Devagar.
Calma aí.
Isso.
Bota de volta o...
Não, tem que tirar. Tá bom, tira a máscara.
Só um minuto. Pera aí. É isso, não tem esculacho não, mano.
Qual é o teu nome?
Alvino da Silva.
Qual a cela?
V7.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, we just see a while ago is a man that is said to be a Brazilian gang leader trying to escape prison by dressing up as his daughter, his 17-year-old daughter. You see? She come to give him a visit, then he dresses up like his daughter, somehow try to walk through the main door in her place to come out. You see, my viewers and subscribers? And the thing about it is, I've been following this story for a little while. I try to understand what really happened. What could have caused this man to dress up like this? You see me? Alright. To my surprise, this is not the first time this man tries to escape. And this man goes by the nickname of Shorty or something like this. You see me? Yeah. This man do something where really and truly, a lot of people have say, yo, how him do that? But anyways, while he was walking out through the main door, he looked a bit nervous. So the guards from within the prison decided to stop this person. And when them stop him and then give him a check, them realize that he's an inmate. You see, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, this prisoner trying to escape. Alright, but viewers and subscribers, this is no laughing matter really and truly. This is something serious. You see what I'm saying to you? In the prison, it's from a Brazil prison. You see what I say? You know, in that prison is known to be one of the most dangerous places where prison riots happen, where people, when we say inmates die because of all kind of, you know, killing that go on in that place. You know, people get decapitated and all these things. It's a very dangerous place, you see. But anyways, I don't know anything already. I'm just glad for showing what go on. I don't know how many of you have seen this video on social media. Well, here I am telling you what really happened. This man, which is known by Shorty, the nickname of Shorty, tried to escape prison by dressing up as his 17-year-old daughter. Alright? You don't know Dancehall Skilla and doing thing already, you see? Anyways, if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I want to big up on yourself here, my people. You see?